In this session, we will discuss about ASEAN India Summit 2025. This was 47th ASEAN Summit and 22nd ASEAN India Summit. Why news? The 22nd ASEAN India Summit took place on October 26, 2025 in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, alongside the 47th ASEAN Summit. Indian Prime Minister participated virtually, announcing 2026 as the ASEAN India Year of Maritime Cooperation. ASEAN means Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Key highlights from the summit. Number one, virtual participation. Indian Prime Minister addressed the summit virtually from New Delhi. Number two, expansion of ASEAN. Leaders welcomed Timor-Leste as the 11th member of ASEAN. Number three, maritime cooperation. To boost joint efforts in maritime security and the blue economy, Indian Prime Minister declared 2026 as the ASEAN India Year of the Maritime Cooperation. Number four, comprehensive strategic partnership. Both India and ASEAN reviewed the progress of their comprehensive strategic partnership, which was elevated to this status in 2022. Number 5. Review of FTA. Prime Minister emphasized the need for an early review of the ASEAN-India Free Trade Agreement (AITIGA) to unlock the full economic potential of the relationship. Number 6. Combating terrorism. Prime Minister highlighted terrorism as the major threat to global peace and security, stressing the importance of a unified fight against it. Number 7. ASEAN Centrally and Indo-Pacific Vision. India reiterated its support for ASEAN's central role and its outlook on the Indo-Pacific. Number 8. Joint Statement on Tourism. The member states adopted a joint leaders statement on sustainable tourism to mark 2025 as the ASEAN-India Year of Tourism. Number 9. Strengthening ties. India-ASEAN strategic partnership continues to advance despite global uncertainties, describing ASEAN as a cultural partner. The evolution of India-ASEAN relations. Look East Policy 1990s. India initiated this policy after the Cold War to strengthen economic and strategic ties with Southeast Asian nations. It also primarily driven by economic liberalization. Next, Act East Policy 2014 onwards. This policy was upgraded to the Look East Policy, transforming India's approach to proactive multidimensional engagement. This policy focuses on the four C's: commerce, connectivity, culture, capacity building. Commerce, boosting trade and investment. Connectivity, improving physical, digital, and people to people link. Culture, promoting strong historical and civilizational ties. Capacity building, providing technical and development assistance. Comprehensive Strategic Partnership 2022. This upgrade on the 30th anniversary of the relationship depend cooperation across multiple domains as trade, connectivity, and defense. Significance of ASEAN for India. Number one, economic importance. ASEAN is India's fourth largest trading partner, with bilateral trade reaching $122.67 billion in 2023-24. It is a major export market and a significant source of FDI. Number two, strategic counterbalance. India-ASEAN partnership serve as a strategic counterweight to China's growing influence in the Indo-Pacific. It reinforces India's Act East policy and its vision for a free and open Indo-Pacific. Number three, maritime security. Cooperation in maritime security, including joint naval exercise in the South China Sea, is vital for ensuring freedom of navigation and a rule-based order. This aligns with the India's Sagar. Sagar means security and growth for all in a region. Number four, northeast connectivity. Connectivity projects such as the India-Myanmar Thailand Trilateral Highway and the Kaladan Multimodal Transit Transport Project are crucial for the integrating India's northeastern state with Southeast Asia. Key areas of cooperation between India and ASEAN. Number one, connectivity. Development of physical infrastructure like highways, ports, and air link, along with the digital infrastructure, is a priority. Number two, trade and investment. Cooperation focus on enhancing trade under the ASEAN-India Free Trade Agreement and boosting investment. Number three, defense and security. Joint military exercises, intelligence sharing, and cooperation on anti-piracy and counter-terrorism initiatives are key. Number four, digital connectivity and innovation. Collaborating on emerging technology like AI and cybersecurity leverages India's IT strengthens and benefit Asia's digitization economies. Number five, socio-cultural ties. People to people exchanges, cultural festivals, and educational programs strengthen historical bonds which are rooted in shared religious and cultural heritage. Number 6, below economy and sustainability. Cooperation includes maritime resources management, sustainable fisheries, and collaborative research in green hydrogen and renewable energy. Major challenges in India-ASEAN relations. Number 1, trade imbalance. India faces a persistent and widening trade deficit with ASEAN, which grew to $45.2 billion in 2024-25. This is driven by an asymmetric free trade agreement and non-tariff barriers. Number two, AITIGA issue. The ASEAN-India Trade in Goods Agreement is currently under review due to concern over non-tariff barriers, which allow Chinese goods to be routed through ASEAN countries. Number three, connectivity project delays. Key infrastructure projects like the India-Myanmar-Thailand trilateral highway face delays due to funding issues, security concerns, and political instability. Number four, geopolitical balancing. Some ASEAN countries are hesitant to align with India's strategic goal due to their significant economic dependence on China. This can limit the depth of security cooperation. Number five, different political instances. Different approaches to regional issues such as Myanmar crisis create friction. India's pragmatic engagement with the military junta has contrasted with the ASEAN's diplomatic efforts.